Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be reviewing some Kurdish music, so I hope you are ready. Today is Alend Hazem. You guys requested it, so let's go. Okay. It looks expensive. Oh yes. Okay. Oh yeah, he got money. Oh, here comes a little sonari dance. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, so this is the thing that they make the sound with this. Okay. I thought it was a flute, but it's not. It's like a I don't know what you call that. Okay. Hi, Lily. Okay, I like that. Oh, I do like his glasses. They're really fancy. Okay. Okay, okay. So this is considered modern music? I don't know what means. Maybe his head hurts. I don't know. Or like, oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh yes, I like this thing. I don't know what it is. I want one. I want one. Okay, I had enough of that song. Let's go and see what else does he got. Okay, let's do that one. His videos are very high budget. They look like movies, so he might have money. You see? He must be very famous, I think. Oh, you see, this is totally different from the other song. Like country. Okay, work. This is pretty actually. I don't know where it is. Oh wow. I mean, this video, you can see they have money to do it because it's very high quality. This song is a little bit like, for me, I kind of like want to dance. Okay, let's watch another one. I don't know what that means. So this looks more traditional. I feel like he is, I don't know. It looks traditional, like I don't know what he's saying. I don't know what is that. Okay, let's go here. Oh, I know this. I remember the other video, how, I don't know what is this called, but like they're just saying things, you know? I mean, he's kind of cute, okay? Whatever. Okay. I like his beard. It's very like... I mean, he can sing on my wedding, let me tell you, okay? I don't know what's going on. It's like they're in church or something. I don't know. Somebody's wedding. Oh, it's a party. Oh, it's a party, right? I don't know. That was Alend Hazem. He is Kurdish. You guys requested it. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want more Kurdish, it's on the screen. Go ahead and get your life, please. Go ahead. Bye, everybody. Till the next video. Bye.